Hi guys, welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new here, welcome. I think I need to work on my intro. Should I get like a hi guys, it's your boy lookitsnene, welcome back to another video. Anyways, we are going to be cooking rice and beef sauce. And yeah, I've got my veggies, my beef. Let's get cooking. What to learn, guys. What and learn. Yes, the onions are getting to me. The onions. Oil there. Nice. Oil. Alright guys, so I'm going to let it sit for like 30 minutes because I want it to marinate a bit. Nice. So I just got down cutting the vegetables and cutting the meat and spicing it. So we're about to cook the rice now. Let's cook the rice. Let's cook the rice. Let's cook the rice. Alright guys, for this you need 1 tablespoon of rice. Maybe a tablespoon and a half. Some oil. And stir. Here. Got some water boiling in the kettle. And we'll add it when it's, ready to add the water. Now you cover and let it, let it do its thing. Guys, so the rice is like almost ready. So we're going to start the beef sauce now. Yep. Alright, so that's what you have. Start with your oil. Let it, it's going because we're going to fry the beef. Guys, so the food is ready now and ready to serve. So let's serve it and taste. I'm very proud of myself. The presentation is not the very best, but we can work on that. So, time to taste it. Alright guys, all of you are invited. Let's try it. I just know it's good. Like, I just know it's good. Guys, I can't lie. This is so good. I'm not even going to glaze myself. I'm not going to glaze myself. You guys glaze me in the comments. Like, rate it upon its looks. Do you get what I'm saying? Rate it. So rate the looks in the comments below and tell me whether you think it looks good or whether you think it tastes good, I guess. Yeah. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. You guys mean a lot to me. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. So if you guys like this video, make sure to comment and like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.